Hi guys, and welcome to Python tutorial of how to implement function with an if statement, and we will also call the function to execute the program. So let's start by first of all defining our function. So right here we just need to enter defined. I'm going to call that quality underscore age, and you must enter parentheses there we go. Now I'm going to create a local variable in here that I will call name, and that name is going to be string, and this string is going to take in some values input, and this input, the value that I want inside there will be, let's say, enter your name. There we go. Now the next local variable is going to be for age. Let's get it indented properly, and age is going to be in integer format, and it's also going to take in input. So we can just grab hold of all of these, paste it right there. Guess what? You must cover up the parentheses twice, because we have one here, we have another one here, so you must cover it twice. So enter your age. There we go. Now let's use an if statement to check if this individual is of the age of going to college or not. So I'm going to end by using an if statement. If age is less than 16, make sure you end it with a column there. In that case, we have the system to print out as follows. So let's say print something like, let's say, go back to school, and let's enter the individual name there, comma, and we can also say you are too young to be in college. So give a reason for why the individual is being turned down at the age of, comma, let's enter age there. Okay, okay. And supposing this individual, let's say the individual is of college age, let's come down here and just say use another if statement, but in this case we're going to use what is known as else if. Okay, else if age equals 16, the entire column there. Okay, and come right down here and just print out as follows here. So we can always say something like welcome to DJ Omen or DJ Omen College, City College. That would do. End that, comma, and let's enter the individual name in there, comma, and I'm going to enter new line right there. Okay, that's good. Now, supposing the individual maybe older than 16 or whatever, so we can just say else in there. Else, if this individual is older than that very age, so we can always say print, let's just print welcome to college, something like that. Come right down here, paste that right here. Welcome to DJ Omen, or welcome back to DJ Omen City College. Enter the individual name in there. Okay, and that's all there is to it. So what we then need to do now is to make sure we call our function. This is our function right here. We need to call that very function. Okay, and to do that, what we need to do is just grab all of the function, come right down here and paste. But before we can do any other thing, we must save our file. So let's say save as. I'm going to save it straight into my desktop. So let's just call it hi underscore college age. So I'm going to save it straight on the desktop. Save. Okay, let's try out our project. So click on run. There we go. So let's enter a name. Let's say the name is Dave. And it's asking me the age of Dave. I'm going to say Dave is 12. So it's asking Dave, go back to school, Dave. You're too young to be in college. You're too young to be in college at the age of 12. Okay, that's fine. Now, there's something that I found in here. So let's add carriage return in there. And I'm going to try it out one more time. So let's run it. Run. Okay, that looks a bit alright. So let's give it a name, and the name is Henry. Henry is 17. So welcome back to DJ Omen's City College, Henry. But one other thing is, if you guys notice, let me just run that one more time so that you see what I'm talking about. Let's say the name this time around is Ashley. There you can see there's no space in between here and here. So let's do that now. So I'm going to come in here, just enter column in there and enter another column here as well. All right. And if I run it now, this is what you see. There's enough room for you to enter your name and enter your age in there. Welcome back to DJ Owens College, John. Now, supposing we decide to call this function more than once, 1, 2, and 3, you can even go all the way to 4. The choice is yours. So if I run it down, check this out. There. Let's say the name is Kinsley, and Kinsley happens to be 15 years old. Alright, that's the feedback given to Kinsley. Go back to school, Kinsley. You're too young to be in college. So, and the next candidate, let's say, is Johnny. And Johnny happens to be 16. Welcome to DJ Owen, Johnny. Okay, and the next individual happens to be, let's say, Faith. And Faith is 21. Welcome back to DJ Owen College, Faith. Yeah. And you can just enter the other name if you want, and that is Purity. It's 19. Yeah. Okay. And that is how you use your function with the use of if statement, else if, and else in Python. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this nice and lovely tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed. You all have a nice day now, and bye for now. And thanks for watching.